Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the crypto market's recent rebound. Let's dig in. Monera's XMR price rockets 40% as XRP leads crypto major gains. Bitcoin traded above 95k over the last 24 hours. Monero surged as much 40% in the last 24 hours. Crypto market sentiment remains cautiously bullish amid macroeconomic challenges and regulatory changes. I think we're still in disbelief territory right now. That's why it was mentioned cautiously bullish. Naxo, the crypto lender to re-enter US market after 2-year regulatory exit and $45 million settlement. The crypto lender announced its US comeback at a private event attended by Donald Trump Jr., son of the president, among others. Naxo previously exited the United States due to multi-agency investigations and eventually paid $45 million to settle charges with federal and state watchdogs. However, unlike BlockFi, Celsius, Voyager declaring bankruptcy in 2022, Naxo left United States in 2022 because of the regulatory probe investigation of SEC and others. Just because they offered products with yields to retail clients, just like Coinbase, just like Kraken, and they are back. I think this could be something, which means there is going to be another good season. I think that is just on the corner. By the way, I am a huge crypto optimist, if you ask me. Gold crypto funds attract third largest weekly inflows of $3.4 billion as investors seek alternative safe havens. Digital assets are becoming an emerging safe haven amid concerns of the impact of US tariffs and a weakening dollar, head of research said. It might sound odd, but oddly speaking, I don't trust on-chain data or art analysis. Maybe half percent, great, but another 50%, I don't trust them. Because the global elites, aka Wall Street guys, when they just when they want to just flip the market, all of a sudden, the market all of a sudden turns from bearish to bullish, from bullish to bearish, anytime. So what matters in crypto market is conviction based on deep knowledge and whether direction is right or not. Long time horizon. Just view the crypto assets from a long perspective, not just short term. If you choose the right assets at the right timing and you just bought the dip and hodl, you can sell when everybody FOMOs in. In this way, you cannot just fail. You cannot lose money in crypto investments. Just buy the dip during the whole bear market and until now. You know, that is the strongest strategy in crypto. ProShares gets SEC green light for 3 XRP ETFs. ProShares is set to launch 3 new XRP tracked ETFs following approval from the SEC. The new ETFs include an Ultra XRP ETF, 2X ETF, a short, inverse XRP ETF, and Ultra Short, minus 2X XRP ETF. This development follows the conclusion of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC, which was from the beginning entirely meaningless and clearing regulatory hurdles for XRP. Just please note, Bitcoin, Ethereum, their futures products were launched in 2017, and they were listed in CME, CBOE in 2017. And then futures ETFs were launched and leverage ETFs were launched. Finally, spot ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum were approved and launched. This is how things are going for XRP and Solana as well. Futures were listed already. Futures ETF products were launched already. A leverage ETF of XRP is going to be listed in a couple of days. Spot altcoin ETFs, it's coming. I don't know when exactly, but it is coming. It's just on the horizon. Staking in Ethereum ETFs, that is coming as well. Global liquidity is coming. Weakened dollar is coming. Rate cut is coming. Although a Federal Reserve isn't likely to cut rates in May. It could be June or July. Anyway, everything combined, the things are getting better and better as time goes by. I confess that I'm a crypto optimist, and I try to be a contrarian investor. That's why I mentioned several times, as long as uncertainty remains, as long as tariff were concerns about it, as long as some concerns or threats remains, opportunity still exists. That narrow window of opportunity is about to be closed sooner or later. So if you bought a dip and hold on, I think a good time, good season awaits you. Thank you for listening.